Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan for viruses on your Windows 10 computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, go to the start menu, and then from start menu you should see settings. From settings, go to update and security on your Windows 10 computer. And here you can see here we have some updates, and go to the side menu here and look for Windows security. If you click on Windows Security, now you'll be taken to this Windows Security page and look for protection areas. Here you can see we have virus and threat protection. To scan for virus, click on this, and now here you can see if we have any threat. For my case, currently there is no current threat. However, if you wish to scan for security and virus protection, then go to quick scan like that, and this will scan your computer and identify if there is any threat that needs to be eliminated. So you need to give it time for the scan to be completed. Now at the end of this scan, you'll see the results. If we have any viruses, the virus will be detected and removed. So because it's taking too long, I won't record up to the end. So that's how you can scan for viruses on your Windows 10 computer or laptop. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.